I'm Connor with GhostStop, and I'm here to introduce our newest product, BooBuddy 2. As the name suggests, this is GhostStop's second model of this beloved bear. Referred to by some as the cutest investigator on our team, this sophisticated device is more than just a stuffed animal with a cute name and an EMF meter stuffed inside. This talking and interactive bear asks questions, reacts to environmental changes, and lights up to get your attention. Soon, you'll be deputizing this cutie as an official investigator on your ghost hunting team. Once you unzip BooBuddy's backpack, you will find a Type-C rechargeable battery pack. You'll also find a microSD card slot. Each BooBuddy will arrive with an English SD card. However, other SD cards will be available on our website for purchase at GhostStop.com. Swapping out this SD card will allow BooBuddy to speak from a different variety of languages from across the globe. BooBuddy 2 now features a dial that allows you to control the time intervals in between each EVP phrase your BooBuddy says. Not only is BooBuddy easier to hear thanks to the upgraded speakers, there's also an option to mute the bear entirely simply by removing the SD card when the bear has been turned off. BooBuddy's lights are far brighter than before, making it easier for you to see in any environment your hunt may take you. When BooBuddy detects any difference, the belly changes colors to alert you and your team. BooBuddy will turn red for EMF, green for motion, and blue or purple when the temperature changes. For any other information regarding BooBuddy 2 or any other ghost hunting equipment, check out our website at GhostStop.com.